Catching them on film's amazing. Yeah, Prince Charming. You get it, good boy, well done. I gave him a Malteser, you should have seen it. Yeah, it's funny.
Oh my god, the ladybirds eat the aphids.
We're just playing with his food, like. What's right there? I'll take it. Yeah. Right, you didn't say your dad. He's a character, I can brilliant. Hey, I love when he stands up like that. Hey, he is. I've been filming him for days and posted him on my YouTube. Hey, pal. Prince Chico the star. Hey, is that good? You enjoy that? Did you enjoy that? Yeah, you sure did. Hey, Chief. Aye. What is that? A bit too wee? You just swallowed that. Oh no, it's no. You got it. Is that good just to throw a bit? There's another bit then. I'll spoil you, rotten. Right. Oh no, he's not good, is he? He just wants one bit. He's just playing that. Are you gorgeous? Yeah. Clever boy. See, that's that processed food. And what do you call it? Then think about the cat food and all that. Right, he kens you really shouldn't be eating it, I suppose, eh? Maybe that's why he's playing with it. Just the way a cat thinks, maybe. I do ken. I've never thought like this before for a cat. But they're amazing wee characters. But he's growing fast, really fast. Hey, right, there's another bit there. I wonder if that's how you get mice then, eh? Yeah. Because you give the cat stuff to play with and it doesn't clean it all up, and then the mice come and get it. Because I've seen videos where cats and just do not go near them, like bolt. I wonder if that's hurting him on the side of his neck or if he's just getting all that down his neck. Hey, you been a wee fatty tomato? Because there is a bit on his neck, right, and I'm sure he's either scratched himself or could it be a flea? Bite, it's a bit big. You can son, see if I didn't ken better, I would actually think Doug would actually try to bite him. But he says no, because they're in separate rooms and they get different timings of the day, so no, it's definitely no being the dog. Oh, he missed a couple of bits, but he wasn't a big bit. Oh, yeah. Right, that'll do you now then, eh? 'Cause you're just stuffing your wee face. Oh, you're just making sure you're not missing a flipping bit. Hey pal, I do have another bit if you want it, right? You come and say hello. Hello! Right, yeah, again, I'll give it. Good boy. Right, you go on beside your mum and daddy for a while. Right, and you go. It's time for a pipe to come through for a bit. Good boy. And look. Right. Yeah, and he's going to run through here for a bit. What? What? The plate? Fucking see what shoot. You should keep a bit for him. Corner like you need to fucking get him hungry with food. Need cheese here. Just take the cheese out here a bit. Yeah, I'll just throw that bit over the bed. Yeah, even though it's just clean covers. Aye, but it's got cheese over it, isn't it? It's got cheese through it, I mean. That he'll do anything for.